This is my first motovlog, not to count yesterday. Yesterday I recorded 32 gigabytes very quickly, and it turned out that it's nothing. It's some places beautiful video, but no audio. Maybe I can put some music to it and see if it looks good, especially when I'm crossing the huge bridge on Rappahannock River. The weather was magnificent, the sun was setting, and they just renovated the bridge, so it's blue and it's huge, and you're riding like under huge blue arches. If I am able to find good music, I will make a short video of this. But anyways, I'm going for a ride, maybe 120 miles. I will come in the evening. I will try to record some cool stuff, and whenever I feel like talking to you people, then I will talk. So as I mentioned before, I am actually recording this ride in 2 languages. Been doing it for last hour or so, and I got to tell you guys, I think that I am much more authentic in Polish. I mean, after all, it's my true real language. I'm learning how to talk. I'm learning how to record, and the idea, I think, of the voiceover or subtitles and using the vlog of both languages for audience, English speaking and Polish speaking, is excellent. It's a little town, little Virginia town. Virginia is full of little sleepy towns. Old towns for America. They are usually 200, 300-year-old towns. Here is a guy playing a trumpet. We are back on the road, and this time we are having different settings for the microphone, and it's very, very windy and pretty cold. It's like, I don't know, mid-50s I think. But I spent the whole day yesterday trying different settings. I'm not gonna mess with the settings too much on my GoPro. I really would like to see if the microphone is capable of recording decent audio. Right now I have the GoPro external microphone through the adapter. The adapter sucks, everybody says that, and I say that again because you don't know what to do with this f***ing adapter. But anyways, it cost $50, Jesus. So I have this purple Panda mic in my helmet. The helmet is Kabuto, good helmet, and I am going to see if I can record the audio. There is a certain spiritual aspect of riding a motorcycle, and especially if you do it long distance, and if you do it long distance alone, then it is really a trip that touches the deeper layers of your being. Virginia is beautiful in the setting sun, amber golden light. I love it. I really love it. So I was recording in 2 languages, and very quickly I got so excited speaking in my native tongue that for last couple of hours all the true adventure going to a Latino store buying chorizo, Salvadorian sausage, everything happened in Polish language. Maybe I will upload it and make a voiceover like a lector in a movie. That will be cool. To jest fajnie. Ja sobie tutaj podjadę, to jest nielegalne, myślę, ale... Yeah. Muchas gracias. Gracias, señor. Está para YouTube. So, to jest fantastyczny sklep. Ja tutaj przychodzę, to jest bardzo dobry na przykład napój. Jumex. I tutaj mogę sobie kupić smaczne rzeczy. Na przykład kiełbaski. Buenas tardes. Me gusta chorizo la salvadorena. Sí. ¿Puedo 5 chorizo salvadorena, por favor? Chorizo mexicana, chorizo salvadorena. Buenas tardes, señora.
Buenas tardes, ¿cómo está?
Estoy muy bien, muy bien. No i tak, zakupy zrobione. Going home, I did little groceries, bought bagels at Wegmans. Wegmans is the best store where I live, but it's 67 miles from home. Coming home, I'm so excited, I'm so pumped up about this footage. I hope the video recorded. It's very windy today, but that would be so fantastic if I could pull it off. I'm really excited. So I have 60 miles to go home, to get home. By the time I get home, it's gonna be dark. I will have to change my visor, and hopefully all will be good and I will see you. Please subscribe to my channel. This is my first vlogging experience. I got to jump in front of these people here. So thank you very much for tuning in, for listening, for bearing with me. I congratulate you. I hope it's not boring. I'm learning how to edit audio and add some music or whatever it takes. I'm really dedicated. Thank you very much. I wish you the best. Happy holidays and be happy. Enjoy life.